What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends to Discord. So there are two ways how to actually go about it. Once you sign into Discord guys and your server, you'll see in the middle here where it says invite your friends. You can click in there to invite your friend. Otherwise, you can simply click on the direct message at the top there for Discord, and you can search for a friend as well and invite them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to basically search for my other account here, so that you can see how I would invite a friend. So as you can see, you just need to enter their username and just go ahead and click and send a friend request. Now, once you do that, you will see it appear and it's going to actually ask you to confirm that you're human. And yeah, let me go ahead and find the correct image here. And yeah, Discord like to really test. So you want to go ahead and do that. So verify, and as you can see here, it says that it was successfully sent. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump over to my second Discord account here, as you can see here. And yeah, what I'm going to do, it's quickly asking me to confirm my account here as it's a new account. So let me go ahead and do that first and foremost, because there is going to be an email that we received from the Discord, as you can see here, to verify. So I'm going to just quickly verify that, and of course you will see. So there is the Discord. Now I'm going to go ahead and open the Discord from here. Now as you can see here, I am back in the Discord now guys, and now to actually see that I received a friend request, you will see that in the upper left hand side there's a direct message, and it's going to show that I received a friend request from here. So all I have to do is just simply accept this friend request in my second account. That's how the person would accept a friend request from within the Discord. As you can see, the other account I basically use to send a friend request, which this one here, I'm just basically accepting it. So all I have to do is just really click on yes to accept. And as you can see right here, that it's now showing up here. Now let me jump back over to my next account, which is the one I want to show you. So if I really like, go back to this account here, let me just do a quick refresh. Here you can see that it finds that other person here, and that's basically it. So that's it guys. If you want to speak to the person, just basically click on it and you can start to say whatever, speak to the person and so forth. It's very easy and very simple. That's how you add a friend on Discord guys.